guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in today. If you have not yet already, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, ring that bell for notifications for future uploads, and also follow me on Instagram. I'd greatly appreciate it. Link down below as well. Alright, so we are working on, as you can tell, the rot box, right? The Jeep, the shit Jeep, whatever you want to call it, I got for 400 bucks, right? So we're gonna replace the whole entire front end assembly, like tie rods and whatnot. You have two of the bars that link to the outer tie rods and then link to the pitman arm and whatnot. I'm replacing it because I don't know how many times in the past I'm like, you know what, just buy the tie rod ends and put it in a vise and whatnot and just take them off, or just be lucky getting them off in the vehicle. Well, that never happens, and I'm not messing around, so I just got the bars itself. We were able to get this one tire off over here. The lugs, my gosh, I don't know what it is with Jeep lugs with the caps, and they just snap off and you're left with just the regular lug, and it's just a pain in the butt. Well, we can't get that one off. It just won't come off at all. So strategically wise speaking, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tilt the wheel all the way, pointing this way, get in there and just get the damn nut off, I guess. I got the tool to press it, so I don't really, I'm hoping I don't have to worry about it. We're going to do this one first, because if I can't do this one, then we got another problem. And then we'll work our way all the way that way and get them off. But to start off, I'm just going to turn the wheel all the way this way, get in here, get that rotted out carter pin that just snaps that I'm going to have to poke out with a flathead, and hopefully get a socket on that bad Larry and rip it right off. But nothing ever goes the way you want it to go. So we're going to go ahead and find out. So let's get to it. Alright, so now that we got the bottom of the tie rod out over there, this stabilizer piston here, that's out right here. We're going to go ahead, and the carter pin's already off on this one, and then we're going to take that off. That, just like on the other side, is a 3/4. We'll take that off with the impact, since we don't have the tire on in the way, so that'll come off a lot easier. And then we're going to use the same exact method to pop that off, so it's a lot easier than going to town bashing it. Alright, now since we got everything else off, we're going to go ahead, we're going to go up to the pitman arm. This one usually is the bare because, well, it's facing up, so you don't have any leverage to bang down on it, and it's in between the unibody and the front of the oil pan, and you got your filter coming down as well. So this one usually is a little of a pain, but if you got the right tool, it makes it a whole crap ton easier to remove it. That scares the crap out of me every time. That kind of hurt. The thing bashed off my wrist. That's why I got out of there. I was facing this way because I knew what was going to happen. I actually stopped because I thought, all right, what's going on here? And then the pressure just blew it. All right, perfect. Now let's get this thing back in and get this thing done. Alright guys, and that is it. everything is completely done for the front end of this vehicle. We didn't even have to take off that shitty ass tires. We just put all the other lugs back on, and we'll worry about it another day, or he or she, whoever buys, will worry about it, because that thing would not come off. I don't know. But the whole front end's done by now. The rear axle shaft, axle bearing, seal's done. We got oil done, oil filter done, air filter, plugs done. Front rotor's done, front pads done. Rear pads are fine, rear rotors are fine. And new master cylinder, which we blew brake line doing, so that video is coming up either before this or after this with a replacement line. But after that, this thing is completely done. Everything I wanted to do to it is completely done. So it's looking pretty good underneath there. All new parts, none rusty. I don't think you can see it because of this piece that comes down. But alright guys, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I'll catch you on the next video.